So in this video section, we'll be talking about the soundboard and how to make it function. The first thing to remember is that it's very important for the main to be up. This is the main volume control over here on the far side, and it needs to stay around the 5 mark. You can kind of sort of see. That'll keep it at a good volume and keep it from giving you feedback. Each of these channels here has its own submaster. These are individual volume controls for each channel. Each of these also has its own mute button, which if you don't want volume from that channel, you mute it. If for some reason you're getting feedback from that channel, you would mute that as well. Channel 28 happens to be our auxiliary down on the bottom near the that's what we plug into if we've got if you're running a presentation and you need sound for that, that's what gets plugged in down there. On every soundboard, every channel has what's called a gain. It's a dial up at the top that controls how much signal each channel is getting from the input. So it gets a signal from a mic or an instrument or whatever it's plugged into, the input, and then you control with these dials here how much signal the channel is getting. You turn that up or down depending on how much signal you want to get in, and then with the submaster you control how much volume you want that channel to have. On our board, you can select an individual channel, and then that will help you see whether or not you're getting signal from that channel, because we have a digital board rather than an analog one. So you can see whether you're getting signal from that, you can see how much gain you're getting, you can see the various frequencies of low, mid, and high frequency in your equalizer, which helps you balance different feedback levels and whether you're going to get frequencies that don't sound good together. So if you're getting too much of your high frequency, you might get bad feedback noise, and you can turn that down a little bit. Also, if you're getting frequency or feedback, you can just turn your volume down a little bit, and that should help with that problem as well. In general, basic running sound is pretty easy. If you're having problems with feedback, just turn your volume down. If it's too fuzzy, same thing. If you're getting lights over here that are bouncing in the red, it means you're too loud, and you need to turn your volume down, or turn your gain down a little bit because you're getting too much signal. Everything else is pretty much just leave it where it is and it controls itself. That's it.